In this video, we will discuss the 5 best PS5 cooling stands on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. OIVO PS5 Cooling Stand. The OIVO PS5 Cooling Stand is a must-have companion for any PlayStation 5 owner. This multifunctional stand addresses cooling concerns while organizing your gaming setup beautifully. What impressed me most was the powerful 3-level cooling system with its enlarged 3.63-inch turbofan that efficiently draws hot air away from the console. The touch-activated controls make adjusting fan speed effortless during intense gaming sessions. The stand's charging capabilities are equally impressive, accommodating up to 4 devices simultaneously. The dual-controller charging stations replenish DualSense controllers in under 2 hours, with intuitive LED indicators showing charging status. Storage flexibility is where this stand truly shines, housing up to 14 game discs, a headset, media remote, external drive, and other accessories in one elegant unit. The included security screw and PS5 Slim adapter ensure your console remains stable and secure. Number 2. KaiTalk PS5 Cooling Stand. The KaiTalk PS5 Cooling Stand is an exceptional addition to any PlayStation 5 setup, offering remarkable compatibility with all PS5 models, including the original, Slim, and Pro editions. What immediately stands out is the upgraded cooling system featuring an enlarged turbofan that delivers powerful airflow with 3 adjustable speed settings, accessible via a convenient touch-sensitive switch. Charging flexibility is where this stand truly excels. The included 3A adapter and Type-C cable provide multiple power options either through a wall outlet or by connecting to the console's front port. This versatility ensures your controllers remain charged even when the console is powered down. I particularly appreciated the smart charging technology that automatically stops at 70% battery capacity to protect controller longevity. Number 3. Rysker PS5 Cooling Stand. The Rysker PS5 Cooling Stand is a versatile cooling solution perfectly compatible with all PlayStation 5 models, including the original, Slim, and Pro versions. Its thoughtful design immediately impresses with concealed cables and robust security screws that create a seamless, stable connection between console and stand. What sets this cooling station apart is its flexible power options. You can connect it directly to your PS5's rear USB port or use alternative power sources like wall outlets, USB hubs, or personal computers. Installation is remarkably straightforward. Simply position your console on the stand, retrieve the hidden screws and cables from the base, and complete setup in moments. The cooling system features a powerful integrated turbofan with 3 adjustable speeds controlled via a responsive touch button. The fan efficiently expels hot air sideways, ensuring optimal temperature management during intensive gaming sessions. Number 4. Auarte PS5 Cooling Stand. The Auarte PS5 Cooling Stand offers specialized support for the PS5 Slim and Pro editions, though potential buyers should note its incompatibility with the original 2020 PS5 console. This horizontal cooling station provides an innovative approach to console placement that immediately impressed me with its practical design. The horizontal orientation creates superior heat dissipation compared to vertical stands, allowing airflow from all directions while providing added protection against accidental bumps from children or pets. I found the intelligent cooling system particularly impressive, with its temperature sensing capability automatically adjusting fan speed when detecting temperatures above 40 DC. The touch control interface allows easy manual adjustment through 3 speed settings, with a convenient long press option to power down. Number 5. Tokluck PS5 Cooling Stand. The Tokluck PS5 Cooling Stand delivers exceptional functionality for PlayStation 5 consoles, offering impressive compatibility with all PS5 versions, including the original, Slim, and Pro models. What immediately stands out is its intelligent temperature management system that automatically adjusts cooling performance based on real-time console temperature readings. This cooling station's temperature-sensitive probe activates different fan speeds depending on detected heat levels. High-speed cooling above 98.6 DGF, medium speed between 95 and 98.6 DGF, and low speed below 95 DGF. I particularly appreciated the flexibility to switch between automatic mode and manual control through the intuitive fan switch button, offering 5 distinct operation modes, including completely silent operation when desired. All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.